Good morning, this is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutLoud.com. Welcome to my pre-market game plan for the major future indices, gold and oil for today, Tuesday. It is May 9th, it is 9:07 a.m. Eastern Time. So let's take a look at the market. Let's start with the indices. First off, YM, E-mini Dow, trading right now at 20,972. What this means for us is that we've had another movement that happened overnight, starting with 2 a.m. at the beginning of the European session. Support was set overnight in the Asian session at 20,928. Resistance from yesterday's high, 20,957. This is a level that we will look for a correction throughout the morning, and a high that was set at 20,985. We still have room to continue higher. Obviously, the first target is going to be 21,000. Prior high 21,010, and we have further projections continuing further into 21,050. The third target is going to be 21,6162 level. So we do look bullish. Overall pattern suggesting that we can make new highs. However, it is very hard to leg into a trade today, especially in the morning, not unless we get a pullback. The first pullback that I'm going to watch for is going to be into the 60 and 50 area. This is going to be a good base, a solid support level for the price to ascend higher. It is ready. The fact that it broke the prior resistance level at 962, it means that the price is ready to trigger higher. However, at 8 o'clock, we had this topping tail, and this topping tail suggests that there can be some profit taking along the way. And that is really good news for us because we're waiting for a pullback. To the downside, if we get a solid retracement back to the 50 level, and if the price weakens at this level, we can expect a further pullback into the 928 area. And if this level is going to be breached, look out below 20,900. These are all elements that we will determine at the open. All right, so let's take a look at the E-mini S&P 500. E-mini S&P 500 ran into this resistance area at 2397.50, spiked to the upside at 99, and then it is into a correction mode right now, all the way into 2395 area. 2395 is going to be the potential launch pad for the price continuing higher. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is looking bullish as usual. It is the strongest of the indices, as you can see right now in terms of relative strength and relative weakness. We have Nasdaq that is leading with 0.11%, and YM, which is at the same level of 0.11%, and we have the S&P that is slightly lower with 0.07%. So Nasdaq does have room to continue higher. Next projections for Nasdaq are 5676 and 5700. So yes, we do have room to continue higher. However, because the overnight movement is a little bit extended to the upside, we are potentially looking for a pullback into the 56 level. This is going to be a good trampoline for price to jump higher. As you can see right now, the price is a little extended from this minor support area and also from this moving average. So we're going to wait for a pullback. Let's talk about GC, and this is gold. Gold continued its descent. On a daily level, it's creating a bearish sandwich at this 1220 level. It does have room to continue lower into the 1216.70 and 1200. So we're gonna look. We can see that the price is somewhat stabilizing, and it's not creating those big candlestick bars that we have been used to see last week, that would not enable us to have a good risk to reward ratio on our trades. So any pullback that should happen into the 1225 area can potentially lead to another shorting opportunity. Let's take a look at CL, and this is oil. Oil has been stabilizing at $47, and also the price has been rejected at this price level. It came back into the 45.72 level yesterday. In the overnight session, it created a lower high compared to the prior overnight session, which leads to a bearish bias. We're also, so $47 is going to be seen as a resistance for the day today, and also the 46.80 area is also seen as resistance. We had a first break of support, 46.28, which could lead to a cone completion into the 45.75 area, and the price can even come back even more into the $45 and $44 area. This is all for today. For more trade ideas, stay tuned in our private Twitter feed. We're going to start looking. We already have some favorites. NQ and YM are right now in pullback mode, so we're going to monitor those. And for those of you that are interested in the Power Income Day Trading class, we have a new course that is coming up in May 22nd. It is a 6-day course, 5-day comprehensive education training, and also we have 1-day trading lab, plus you get to follow our trades for 30 days. And if you want to learn more about our Power Income Day Trading course, futures course, feel free to visit our website, which is tradeoutloud.com/futures. If you want to sign up, or if you want to find out more about this class curriculum, feel free to email us at info@tradeoutloud.com. I hope you all have a very profitable trading day, and see you tomorrow morning.